Alright, right 5 into left 6, followed by immediate hairpin left.
I remember! No!
Into right 5, 250. Left 6, over crest, dim turn, cue left 60. Right 5.
What is that beeping? We're gonna blow?
Yo, there's a butterfly on my axe! Oh my god! Come up and see if you can catch it.
Okay. Did I get it?
12 seconds later.
Yeah! Dude, this Yeah, I'm gonna do something. How do you like this? Oh fuck.
Coming up behind you.
They're mad. They don't like what I'm doing to their friends.
You cooking their friends?
If I tell you, I'm afraid you won't even try it.
Dude, he's eating his Ew.
Ew, bro, ew.
12 o'clock midnight.
Oh shit.
To the golf cart, to the golf cart.
No, I died, Martin.
Safety in the cart, safety in the cart.
Holy Jesus. What the fuck is that?
Yeah.
Get up, get up, get up. Get in, get in. I'm leaving.
Alright, change to safety.
Yeah, our base. Fucking woods.
A few moments later.
Oh my god, it's a little personal scooter.
What?
Yo.
Oh my god, yo, you got a hoverboard! Holy shit! Yo. Oh, look up behind you, look up behind you! Oh shit!
You ever seen the X Games? Check this out.
Alright, does everyone have a little...
Whoa!
Hey, at least the world's on my computer. Not yours.
Whoa, Chandler, come look at this.
Oh, save. Did you save?
I did, yeah.
Careful, careful!
Yo.
Chandler! No! Oh my god!